It's our favorite time of year.
Tax season?
No.
Fingernail trimming time?
What fingers? No, it's time to spring clean with Simple Green.
Oh, I knew that.
Well, did you know that we can clean nearly any surface? Seriously, one product is all you need to spring clean your entire home. Like here in the kitchen, we clean grease and grime off counters, walls, appliances.
Floors? Baseboards?
What? Wait, oh, yeah, those too.
What about behind furniture?
Yep, even back there.
What about ceiling fans?
Yes! Now get down from there! Even bathrooms, like the sink here or these fixtures.
Showers? And tubs, too.
So you see, no matter where or what the mess, we've got you covered.
Simple Green is how you take your spring cleaning to-do list to a spring cleaning to-done list.